Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and we are going to see the next targets as we had the minor actually crash, I would say, for BTC, major for the altcoins. What is going to happen next? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, the best crypto trading system out there. Try it out, Patreon. You click on the link in the description box or in the comment section, join, and I will be sending you a message. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now. BTC against USDT chart. As you can see, we are holding the 0.5 Fibonacci number, 28.6k. We talked about this possibility yesterday as well, that if we fall down from the 29.2, this is the next target. As you can see, it is bouncing perfectly into the Fibonacci numbers. However, what is next right now? Okay, because we can see a movement for BTC, but it is not a hugely convincing one around the 28.6k. Although we have a very nice, very nice bullish RSI divergence right here. I will be just checking it out so you can see it clearly. Look at that. Okay, bullish RSI divergence. This can be gone into below 30s, so it can be gone. Okay, the above 30s bullish RSI divergences are not so convincing. If you had something like this, for example, then it would be the best. Okay, however, when it is above the 30s, always remember that if you have a bullish RSI divergence, you have multiple chances into this not succeeding. Okay, but anyway, this is a very important target because not only it is the 0.5 Fibonacci, not only this is the 200-day moving average, but we have a bullish RSI divergence. We cannot ignore it in the 4-hour frame, and Bitcoin is in a very bullish environment, right? So anything right here can happen. However, if we fall down from the 28.6k, then the next price target would be the 28.1k, and things would be a little bit more problematic for the crypto world. Why is that though? Because if we fall down from here, we are going to 28.1k. You will tell me, okay, Bill, this is good. It's okay, right? It's a normal correction. Yes. But in the lower time frames, this would mean that we lose the 200-day moving average, we go further down, maybe we have a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day exponential moving average. However, always remember that into a bullish environment, whenever you have these crossing below conditions, like here, for example, it is always a buying opportunity, right? So if we have something like here or right there, okay, here, for example, we had a very huge correction. Okay, in the lower time frames, we had a very huge correction, but at the end of the day, we managed to make it and go even higher. So this could be happening here. However, the case right now is that Bitcoin, I think that until we go to the 32k, 33k, we won't be going so further down. Do not worry about that. We won't be crashing down right here. If you see Bitcoin in the lower time frames not getting above, not closing above the 29.2k, because this is our main goal right now, as we bounced into here, we need to close above. Okay, if this is the case, then Bitcoin is very likely that it is starting another impulsive wave in the 4-hour frame to go even above the 30.9k. I'm just telling you that so you can remember it, right? If we close above the 29.2k, very nice chances that we are going to see impulsive wave leading all the way to the 32 to 33k. Always remember, at the 32 to 33k, we have a very hugely important resistance level. 28.6k should be the first support level that we have. 28.2k in case we lose this momentum. Can we lose it? Yes, but to me personally, we have some corrections going on, but this is not something that we should be concerned about. The only problem would be we formed right here another bearish RSI divergence. Okay, so you can see that into the lower time frames, into the 1-hour frame, we could be having, for example, a very nice bearish pennant formation going on. Okay, so you can see that I would go from this low actually, so you can see it better. Okay, we could be having a bearish pennant formation and we go down from the triangle, but this triangle right here could be the case that it is a neutral one and we go higher. Okay, so it is not the case, or it could be the case that we go and retest one more time the 0.5 and then we drop upwards. because I think that the most likely scenario it is that we hold this line. Okay, as I told you right here that everything could happen, we can go to the 28.6k. Right now things are looking like we can be holding this line right here, and we could be going all the way up to the 29.2k. all right, so personally for me, things are looking good. Right now we are beyond the 20-day exponential moving average in the daily frame. Into the daily frame, of course, we still have a risk. I mean that we are into a neutral position, right? So we cannot assume that, oh, in the daily frame we are below the 30, so we could have something like this. Friday, 10 March 2023, look at that, how beautifully Bitcoin went down towards the 200-day moving average, and we went all the way up higher. I do not think that this will be the case right now. I do not think that Bitcoin will wait the 200-day, the RSI in the daily frame to go below the 30 seconds, so we have a buying opportunity. I think that Bitcoin will be floating for sure around here, bursting up until the 32 to 33k, in which probably it is very likely that we have a huge correction coming in at these levels. For now, of course, yes, a very huge bearish candlestick in the daily frame, minus 5%, but we have seen it again into the crypto market. This is nothing compared to what we have seen before, and trust me on that, because we are in a bullish environment. This doesn't mean that we are going to crash all the way down like we used to into the bear cycle. I think that a more higher low, higher high pattern is going to come soon, not only for Bitcoin but for Ethereum, that holds for now at least the 1924, which is very good, very nice for Ethereum. And I think that we could be having some more uptrend as well. We didn't make bottom tweezers right here, which would be good. However, do not worry about that. Ethereum is looking good to probably go and follow Bitcoin. As you all know, Ethereum against Bitcoin is going a little bit too underperform, but for the time being it is outperforming Bitcoin. I mean that in the 4-hour frame we have been going a lot higher. Anyway, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. These were the news right here and the targets for the crypto. The do not worry part that I've told you yesterday still exists. Do not worry about anything. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.